It's Meme Tool Monday! Except it's on a Friday. Unless you're watching this on a Monday, then it's Meme Tool Monday. But it could be any other possible day. Meme Tool Monday! Hey guys, thought today we'd check out a couple meme tools from Menards. I got the mini Toolbox and the mini Busket. We'll check out the Toolbox first. This is sold under their Performax brand, which is kind of like Menards' mid-tier brand. These retail for $12.99, but at the time of making this video, they were on sale for $8.98. I do suspect the price will go back up after the holidays, though. These come in red, white, black, or blue. I went with the blue since I don't have any other blue toolboxes. And here it is. A meme manifested into physical form. Yeah, it's definitely a little guy, barely 11 inches wide, 6 inches tall, and 6 inches deep. The lid on the top hinges open, and right away there's an issue. The lid just flops back all the way. It almost needs a chain or something to stop it from flopping back like that. The top compartment is only 5/8 of an inch deep, but the lid has some depth to it as well, so you can fit some taller items in there. It has 2 drawers. Eesh. Yeah, they're kind of rough. I think these barely meet the legal definition of drawer slides. They're just friction slides. Maybe with some lube they'd loosen up. And no, the drawers do not slide out all the way. There's about an inch or so back there that doesn't slide out. I don't know. Maybe it's like a gag gift or something? But the Harbor Freight one is only a few bucks more, and it has actual ball-bearing slides and includes drawer liners. I think I'd pass on this Menards variation, unless you guys can give me some creative ideas on what to do with it. Let's check out the other item. The mini Busket. That's it. It's just a miniature busket. It looks like a regular 5-gallon busket, but it's small. It only holds 40 milliliters, or about 13 ounces in normal measurements. These are $1.11 for the busket, and of course you have to buy the lid separately. It's another 49 cents for the lid. Whatever. What am I going to do with this? I mean, the lid snaps on nicely, but it's not sealed or anything. They sell these in the painting section, but I suspect if you put paint in there, it would still dry out since there's no seal on the lid. Surprisingly, there is a little grippy part on the carrying handle. I'm sure it's just a piece of clear heat shrink tubing or something, but it's a nice touch. I do like that. Yeah, but what could I possibly use this thing for? Yeah, this might come in handy around the shop. Now I don't have to worry about finding a place to set my beer. Excellent. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Be sure you're subscribed for more unusual tools. See you later. Bye.